256 species in genus Atriplex. December 17th, Atriplex, the Orichae, defines December 17th. Atriplex symbolizes adaptability and resourcefulness. You are able to adjust to changes with ease, finding solutions wherever you go. Like its hardy nature, you thrive even in challenging conditions. The salt of the earth, my exploration of Atriplex. As a botanist, I'm constantly drawn to the diversity and resilience of plant life, especially those that thrive in challenging environments. One genus that has particularly captivated my attention is Atriplex, more commonly known as saltbush or Orichae, belong to the Amaranthaceae family. These remarkable plants, with their understated beauty and remarkable adaptability, have carved a niche for themselves in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. A diverse genus. Atriplex is a large genus encompassing approximately 250 species. These range from weedy annuals to sturdy perennials, and even include shrubs and subshrubs. They are found across the globe, from the salt marshes of coastal regions to the arid deserts of the interior. This wide distribution speaks to their remarkable ability to tolerate conditions that would be fatal to most other plants. Adapting to salinity. One of the most fascinating aspects of Atriplex is its ability to thrive in highly saline environments. These plants have evolved specialized mechanisms to cope with high salt concentrations, making them valuable in areas affected by salinity. Some species even accumulate salt in their leaves, which they then shed to rid themselves of excess sodium. A valuable resource. Atriplex species have long been recognized for their economic and ecological importance. In many parts of the world, they serve as a valuable forage crop for livestock, particularly in arid and semi-arid regions where other plants struggle to grow. Their ability to tolerate grazing and drought makes them a sustainable and reliable food source for animals. Beyond their use as fodder, Atriplex species have also been utilized for land reclamation and erosion control. Their deep root systems help stabilize the soil, preventing erosion and improving soil health. They are also effective in phytoremediation, as they can absorb and accumulate heavy metals from contaminated soils. A closer look at species list. The diversity within Atriplex is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The future of Atriplex. As we face the challenges of climate change and increasing land degradation, the importance of Atriplex is only going to grow. These resilient plants offer a sustainable solution for food production, land reclamation, and even carbon sequestration. Their ability to thrive in harsh conditions makes them ideal candidates for restoring degraded ecosystems and combating desertification. I believe that further research into Atriplex will reveal even more of its potential. By understanding its unique adaptations and harnessing its remarkable resilience, we can unlock new possibilities for sustainable agriculture, environmental restoration, and a more secure future for all.